History taking flight today in Farmingdale. The GEICO Skytypers arrived at Republic Airport. Now, that team includes vintage World War II airplanes.
For us, it's a matter of TLC, a lot of loving care, and a lot of good maintenance to keep these airplanes healthy.
The GEICO Skytypers will be taking part in this weekend's Bethpage Air Show at Jones Beach. There's going to be some people there as well. I think there's going to be a Macy and a Bill there on Saturday.
And
I will be
too.
there on Sunday. The pilots say this year is taking on added significance too, because this is also the 75th anniversary this year of D-Day.